everyone, I'm Shidi. Welcome to another SHERO's tutorial. Today we'll be learning Waterfall by BI. Alright, let's get started. On count 1, you step to your right and hands go cross. So it'll be 1 and 2 in. So on 2 in it will be left, right, and then hands go out in. So 1 and 2 and 3 in. 3 in, you look to your left, and your right hand's going inward. So it will be 3 in. On 4 in, you go step, step. At the same time, hands go scoop, scoop. So it'll be 4 in. And then from here, it'll be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 in. On 5 in, your hands go forward, and then step will be right, left, right. So 4 in, 5 in, 6, you step back, and then on 7, there's a throw. On 8, you step your left foot. Okay, start from the top. It'll be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. Continue. Step your right foot on 1, left foot on 2, and on 3 in, you step your right foot and drop. So it'll be 8, 1, 2, 3 in. On 4, you stay. On 5, move forward with your right foot and go twice with your hand. So 5 in, 6 in, step your left foot. On 7 and 8, you go right, left, back, back. Okay, so back to the top on 8. It'll be 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. On and you kind of sit over here to get ready for the next count. So this on 1, you will be hitting to your on your right shoulder. So this is 1, and 2 will be lifting your left foot, and then your chest kind of go forward. This is 1 and 2. On 3 will be right foot, and then you just cross your hands. 3 and 4 and go twice with double hands. 4 and 5 and on 6 you step to your right and handle right hand also go out. So 6. On 7, your right foot will step to your left, and the hands go right, left. And on 8 will be a throw. So let's go back to right here. This is 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. After this throw on 8 in, you lift your right foot. So 8 in, so it will be 8 and 1, 2. On 1, you step back. On 2, there's a pop. So you kind of pop your chest out. So 2. On 3 in, it will be going forward. You move your right foot forward. Hands will go up, down. So 3 in, 4 in left foot, and you do just swipe your on your left arm. And then 5, 6, 7, 8, it's really just a freestyle for you to go back to the center. In the music video or the performance video, what he did was just like 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8.
내 이름은 Trevor, 내 이름은 Jay, 내 이름은 이성철, 내 이름은 Pain. 빌어먹을 죄는 내 이름은 나를 누가 그래 누가 기억해. I got a lot of pain 인생은 새노 끝이 없는 동네 마음속에 공백을 채워가는 돈. 전부 씻어내버려 씻어질 수 있기를 하늘을 빌어먹네.
5, 6, 7,
내 이름은 Grammar, 내 이름은 Jay, 내 이름은 위선자, 내 이름은 Pain. 빌어먹을 죄는 내 이름은 나 아니면 누가 그래 누가 기억해. I got a lot of pain 인생은 새노래 끝이 없는 공리 마음속에 공백을 채워가는 돈. 부끄러운 과거 전부 씻어내면 씻어질 수 있기를 하늘을 빌어보네.
On count 1, you step your right foot and the hands go up. 2, drop and move your left foot to the back. On 3 in, step back your left foot and go twice. 3 in, and 4 in will be right foot, left foot. So it will be 3 in, 4 in, 5 in, 6 in, just the opposite, okay? And on 7 in will be left, right. So the hands go halfway and go out. 7 in, 8 go down and jump up. And on 1 you go tap tap. Okay, so from here it will be 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2. So on and 2, you just step down. On 3, it will be scoop out your right hand and lift your left hand. It will be 3 and 4. On 5 in, it will be going to your left. And then again, your right hand will be going inwards. So 5 and 6 and. So switch to your right. Your hands go together and go out twice. 6 and 7 in. You jump to your left and then just keep on your right foot. So you scoop out and then up, up. So that's 8 in. On 1, you drop down. So that's the waterfall part. So 1 and then 2. So this one, you have your knees going inwards and your hand just go on the side. So it's 1 and 2. On 3 in, it will be right, left. On the right, left, your knees will be going outwards. So instead of in, it will be out, out. And then 4. On 5, you step your right foot and left hand goes up, come down. So it's 5 and 6 in. So it's right and left. And then you step twice. At the same time, your knees go to the back and your heels go to the front. So the knees really just left, right. Or you point to the left and right. So the hands will go right, left. So that's 7 and on 8, you throw out. So that's 8. All right. So like after this, it will be 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. On 1, you step your right foot out and the hands around your chest. So your chest also going up to the right a little bit. So 1 and 2. 3 and 4, your right foot step out again and you go, hands go up, down. So 3 and 4, 5, your left foot step forward and then your right hand just goes up and then left hand goes down. So that's 5 and then switch. 6 and, so after 5 in, on 6, your right foot step to the back and the hands goes up. So 6 and on 7, you jump, land on your left foot. So 7 and switch and then ha. On 1, you just land your right foot to the back. So that's 1. And then you stay here for 2, 3. On 4, you kind of go back and then sit like rest in the sit position. On 5 and 6, 7, you kind of just like move. 5, 6, 7. 7N will be a little small one. On count 8 will be a bigger one. And then that's when you step your right foot out. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So you do it 4 times over here, and you also stay on your heel, and you kind of just like twist your foot. At the same time, I would keep my right shoulder a little bit down and really just relax over here, and then chill, feel the vibe, and just do 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5, 6, 7, 8, you can just do a little freestyle. You can go back. You can do whatever you want. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
쥐고 있던 모든 걸 내려놓고 나서 비가 제대로 통해 고백 담아놨던 모든 것을 꺼내 바다를 닮은 눈물색을 이 밖으로 토해 Waterfall 춤을 추는 waterfall 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져 I'm a waterfall 춤을 추는 waterfall 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져 씻어내면 씻어질 수 있기를 하늘에 빌어보네 손에 쥐고 있던 모든 걸 내려놓고 나서야 비가 제대로 통해 고백 담아놨던 모든 것을 꺼내 바다를 닮은 눈물색을 이 밖으로 토해 Waterfall 춤을 추는 waterfall 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져 I'm a waterfall 춤을 추는 waterfall 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져
So there are 2 8 counts. You're just doing freestyle. We'll do the little solo parts, and that will be on count 1. So 1 and 2. So on 1 and step your right foot and just hand, throw. And 3 and will be left, right, left. So 3, with just your hands moving. 3 and 4. And then also a throw, but you're not like completely going out, but like just like lift a little bit so that you're stretching. So this is 4 and 5. So just like hands going here and drop and forward. 6 in, so step your right foot out and hands go here to your left and right. So 6 in, 7 and 8. So step back and then just do a little small throw over here. That's on 8. On 1, so 2, you really just step your right foot out and then do a little small scoop to the front. 3, and that's another throw. lift your left foot. So 3 in, 4, 5, 6. You just walk back to the center. On 7 and 8, that's the dance break part. So on 7 in will be, your hands are going like this. So it'll be like pop, pop. So you're popping 2 times on 7 in, and then also kind of pop out your waist part. So it's like pop, pop, ha. So it's 7 and 8. And then on 1 and 2 in. So after you stay here, and then you step to your left, your hands kind of swing to the front. Right hand can just stay over here so you can hold your pants. So it's 1 and 2 and. You don't really move as much on the top part, but just your feet, they're going inwards. So they're doing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's the entire part for your feet. So over here will be 1 and 2 and. On 3 in, you start turning to your right and your hands go open. So 3 out. And so you do it again, but your hands start moving up. So this is 3 and go up a little bit. 4 over here, and then 4 and up a little bit more. So this is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. After this, you kind of, there's a little small jump, but you don't have to like really jump high. Just do a small jump so you kind of get yourself into this. So next move, your hands stay on your side, and then your feet are going kind of like inwards. But you really just scoop, scoop, scoop. So your chest will be going around a little bit to help you move, and then your feet are going right, middle, or like the diagonal, and then middle. Let's start from right here. So it's 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. On 5 and 6, you step to your left and hands go up. So 5 and 6, and you come back to the center and also do the same move. So just out and in. On 7, you go to your right and your hands open and throw up. So it's 7, 8, and then back, also back to the center. So let's do this 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 8 and your hands going inwards, and you roll it up. So this is 8, you kind of stop over here, or you don't really stop, you just continue moving up. So 8 in, roll up, and on 1, you drop. So this is 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. So for this part, your hands don't really matter as much. They're really just there to help you move your feet, but just focus on your feet. So remember, this is 1 and 2, kick your right, and step back your left, and ka, and then 5 and 6, and 7, and 8 and 1, it will be 3 times. You're hitting it really hard. Again, your hands don't really matter, but just helping you get the moves. And your feet are like, you're really stepping on it and then trying really hard. So it will be 8 and 1. So that's 3 times. Okay? So let's do it from here. Drop. So 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. And on 2, do another throw. On 3 and 4, you just move back again, rest in a sit position. 3 and 4. On 5, you start walking to the with the right foot. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're moving with 5, 6, 7, 8, and. On 8 and, you step your left foot out, and then your hands go right, left. So that's 8 and. After 8 and, and then your hands come back to your chest and just cross them. And then moving with your, kind of leading with your nose, not really just use your head, but like use your nose and chin portion to go with. So it's 1 to your left, right, and left, and drop, drop. So on the second drop, what BI does, he also did a hand. So we drop, drop, and then go right, left, right, cut, cut. The count will be, so this is 7, 8. Oh, sorry, 8 and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. After that, it will be a little counts, and then everybody just left, and BI stay in the center. So you can do 1, 2, 3, 4. On count 4, just step your right foot back. So 4 and just switch. And that's it. And then you can walk to the back and finish the dance. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8.
시원했던 시간들과 따가웠던 시선 소리치던 내 목소리 꿈을 맹인 비음 헝클어진 머리카락처럼 엉켜있는 감정 빗어내고 나가야지 떨어짐과 동시에 새롭게 시작하는 폭포 That's me. 시원했던 시간들과 따가웠던 시선 소리치던 내 목소리 꿈을 맹인 비음 헝클어진 머리카락처럼 엉켜있는 감정 빗어내고 나가야지 떨어짐과 동시에 새롭게 시작하는 폭포 That's me.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial today. We do have a full cover on YouTube, so please check it out, like and comment. Also tag us on Instagram and TikTok. Film yourself, share it with us. And I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.
Hey waterfall 춤을 추는 waterfall 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져 I'm a waterfall 춤을 추는 waterfall 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져